Once the gauge is powered on, we're ready to begin the procedure. Currently, the gauge is displaying 212 degrees Fahrenheit for the first channel and 215 degrees Fahrenheit for the second channel. This can be changed to Celsius using the meter's Change Temperature Units function. Begin by pressing the gear key once. Next, using the up and right arrow keys, enter the programming code 0089. Once the code is in the display, press the gear key once. The gauge is now in programming mode. The display will read C or F. Press the gear key once to enter the parameter setting mode. To change the setting from Fahrenheit to Celsius, press the up arrow key once until the display changes from F to C. Then press the gear key once to save the value in the microprocessor's memory. Press the up arrow 7 times until End is in the display window. Then press the gear key once to exit the programming mode. The gauge now displays the temperature value in Celsius and is ready for operation. For more information, please visit our website, thesensorconnection.com, to download a copy of the DPG-XR Digital Temperature Gauge User Manual and Quick Start Guide. Harold G. Shavitz Industries, performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.